The most successful e-com brands use landing pages to increase conversion rates and AOV, average order value, while lowering their customer acquisition costs, which allows them to scale extremely fast and profitably. If you're watching this video, you probably heard of testing landing pages before, but you just don't know how to go about it. The issue is that there's so many types of pages to test, so many different options, and in this video, I want to make this as easy and streamlined as possible for you. I'm Jeff. I've built over 100 landing pages for 6 to 8 figure ecom brands this year alone in 2024. So in this video, I'll show you 12 different landing page types and live examples of pages we've created for our clients. So hopefully you can implement some of these to increase your brand's conversion rates today. I'm going to include all the links of the pages I'm going to go over in the description, as well as the link to this doc as well. So real quick, you're probably wondering why landing pages, and it's for two main reasons. One, to increase conversion rates with quicker customer journeys, right? Typically, for a storefront, you have the home page that drives to a collection page, to a product page, then they can add to cart to get to the cart, checkout page, and then purchase, right? For a landing page, cuts through that noise, streamlines that entire process, and they're hit with the ad, goes to the landing page, straight to checkout. It's a much faster process, a much streamlined customer journey. The second reason is to lower your customer acquisition costs, your CAC, with more targeted messaging and ad specific pages versus generic, typical home and product pages that cater to a broad range of customer avatars. With landing pages, you're able to create specific, custom targeted angles and messaging with that particular page. So if you aren't testing different landing pages to fit your products and customer avatars, there's an insane opportunity for more growth and profit for your brand. So if you're still watching and still interested, that's great. I appreciate it. Let's get into the 12 pages and examples right here. So the first page we're going to go over is the offer landing page. This is just a standard page you'll see. And the purpose of this is to highlight a specific offer or promotion. I'm going to quickly run through this page here. This is from a brand called Scooch. The main purpose of this is to communicate a specific offer and an angle or message, right? So we have a hero section that calls out specifically what they're solving for, and it gets right into selling and communicating the problems, but also the solution of their product for their ideal customer. So in this case, they're selling supplements to help with dogs who are scooting. They have anal gland problems, so they want to communicate the why it's important, what are the signs of it, the problems, as well as the solution to it. The whole point of these type of pages is to communicate exactly what they're selling, to create some sort of connection, resonance, and then driving straight to a call to action section. In this case, it's going to be a quiz, or it could be a product page like you see here. The second page is going to be a long form landing page. This is for more if you need to create and communicate a lot of information. So for this brand here, WaveBlock, this is an EMF protection brand, and it requires a lot of education and qualifying, right? So because of this, we want to, similar to the offer page that we mentioned before, or talked about before, this is going to go a little deeper into the problems of it, all the things that are threats or issues with EMF, right? To really build up that emotionality, and then to position the brand and their products as the ideal solution for that. So you can see that they first talked about the problem, and then we're talking about the solution of WaveBlock stickers to reduce EMF. We have some stats, percentages, some social proof, as well as a quick call to action section, from videos, and some FAQ. The next page I want to go over is the collection landing page. This is to showcase a collection of related products, right? We want to always, of course, talk about the main USP, which is just a unique selling point, but then get right into the different types of products or categories that they can select from. In this case, for Ikigai cases, they have three main products types. So we want to showcase that. and then again drive it straight to the product page. And you'll notice that a lot of the sections are really similar across the board. It's just a different focus, right? So we have features, we have the social proof, we have the FAQ, but the focus is directed on a particular goal. In this case, it's the three main product types. The next is the product landing page. This is just to focus on a single product and its benefits. This is for another EMF brand that we work with, but you can see here it goes straight into like a product buy box with really incentivizing offers, right? We have a buy one, buy two, get one free, a buy three, get two free, right? We're calling out the specific, the USP, the offer, benefits, as well as getting right into the problems, the solutions, some social proof credibility, FAQ, and then a call to action button, as well as customer reviews. The next one is ad specific landing page. This is tailored to target a specific ad campaign. So this is just the idea of having continuity between the ad creatives that you're driving traffic from to the landing page that you're driving traffic to, right? So in this case, this brand here, Neck on the Line, is driving or running a lot of ads around having a perfect gift to make her feel special. So we have a specific landing page that communicates exactly that. So when they click on the ad, they're looking for like that perfect gift, and then they're presented with the page that calls out exactly that. So we want to call it the headline, some social proof, some features, right? Some USP, as well as brand value props, and then getting right into the product buy box where they can select and purchase directly from there. And of course, we have customer reviews as well. The next is the angle specific landing page. This is just to target a specific angle or a customer pain point. So this is for a brand called Tap Water. They sell water filters, and we really want to focus on what separates this filter from all the others and to really target a main pain point, which is to remove contaminants, right? So calling that directly that in the hero section, having some nice value props there, as well as getting right into all the problems and solutions that they are looking for. Problems, solutions, more information on the product, how to use, buy box, really clear. There's only two choices: starter pack, annual pack. Gets right into the checkout page from there. The next is the compare landing page. This is just to compare your product against competitors. This is great when you have one unique selling point that you want to position that as a superior option amongst other products or competitors. So in this case, for Gains in Bulk, they have something called Instatize Creatine. The typical mainstream one is monohydrate. It's just a different form of creatine. So we're just positioning the Instatize version as the superior option because of all the problems that monohydrate has, right? So calling it directly that, the differences, some social proof, some specific features that this creatine has that the others doesn't. Compare chart, FAQ, and then a call to action. The next two are listicles. I'm going to quickly show you two of them. It's just a great pre-sale page to quickly educate your shoppers on the main value points, the problem-solving capabilities of your product in a really easy, engaging format, right? This is a great way to test different angles and to test different messaging. Another one is for Untamed. Again, to call out different angles from here in the hero section, as well as reasons why to support that main angle. Advertorial is just a long form version of a listicle. That's probably the easiest way to explain it. It's more so just providing a story. It's a mixture of an ad and an editorial. So it's more of like an article, right? So we're explaining all the different things that they need to know in order to make a buying decision or at least be interested in the product. This is great for brands who require some sort of education. Their customers have questions, so it just um, it facilitates answering a lot of their pre-purchase questions for them to stay within the funnel and stay interested and move down to either adding to cart or going to the product page. This is another compare avatar. This is another form of the compare landing page that I showed you before. This is also for Aries Tech. And this is just to position this brand as the superior option when it comes to EMF brands there, right? So they want to leverage certain value points like they have the patents, the trials, peer-reviewed studies, and the endorsements and approval from different scientists and experts, right? So just having a solid compare chart amongst other brands and the products and why this brand is superior, some myths and facts, some credibility points, value props, social proof, and a call to action section. The last one is going to be a pre-sale landing page. This is just a quick page before you get to a product page just to quickly educate them on the brand and the products, right? It's super short. You really want to focus on brand values, social proof, if anything, but just educate them quickly on the main points, the main value of the product. And that's it. So I hope this kind of helped. I'll include the links for each page in the description so you can actually go through it yourself and really study it. Just to kind of give some credibility points here, we increased Ramp Health conversion rates by 41% by just improving their homepage and product page. We helped lower PlantMate's CAC by 21% with the listicle landing page, lowered Neck on the Lines CAC by 28% with the ad specific. We've increased profitably scaled Wellness Nest to 1.6 million in just 5 months with just one product landing page. We have some homepage examples here as well as product pages. So appreciate you sticking around. Hope you found this at least somewhat valuable. Please do me a favor if possible. Please like and subscribe and comment any questions you have, and I'll be sure to answer them. All right. Appreciate it.